Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker JBL Flip 7 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you have Bluetooth on other devices, click Enter or just press on it. And right here you need to click Add Device at the top, then Bluetooth. Now we need to turn on the speaker, so press one time at the power button at the top of the speaker. And after that, press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter prank mode. Now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!